Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC Silverado Sierra 2500 HD. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any lines and wire harnesses from the work area. And uninstall your forward shock from the factory crossmember. Step 3. Begin by removing the factory crossmember by cutting it free from the outside and inside of the frame rail on both sides. You may find it easier to remove the section by cutting the part in half. Followed by grinding the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide a backing plate onto the new crossmember so that it mirrors the side with a pre-welded plate. Insert the new tube through the inside of the frame as shown, and use the frame rail as reference to help with the support plate's alignment. Step 5. Tack weld the pre-welded side into place and verify its alignment. Align the opposite side's plate with the top of the frame rail and tack weld it into place. With the remaining two backing plates, push them onto the crossmember ends on the outside of the frame rails and tack weld them into place. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges. Completely weld the backing plates around the outer and inner edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your forward shock, lines and wire harnesses, and you're done.